Hi, On-Ramps instructors. I'm going to show you how to add the lectures to your course pages. So you may have noticed, I'm here on my course page, so you may have noticed that none of the lectures or video lectures are on the student activity pages, although you can access them from the lesson plan pages. So for example, the lectures for, let's just look at this one for example. So 1.1.2 Earth Systems. We have the before class video that students would watch, but then we also have the PowerPoint with the corresponding recorded lecture from Dr. Snow. So you can access those either from Box or you can get them from the lesson plan pages here. Students at this point do not have access to the lectures at all. So if you want to add a lecture to your Canvas page, you will go to whichever lesson you want to add a lecture to. So for example, if I want to add the Earth Systems lecture to my Earth Systems section here, first you have to go to the top of the page for that subunit and click Edit in the top right corner. And then you can use this editor box here to add content. So I'm going to scroll down to the Earth Systems. So I want to add the Earth Systems lecture somewhere in here in lesson 1.1.2. So let's just say that I want to add it to the before class activities because I want my students to complete that for homework. So here I'm just going to put my cursor in wherever I want to insert this activity. So over on the right, you'll see Insert Content into Page. So I'm going to click on the Files tab, and then I'm going to click on Course Files. Okay, all of the lecture material are in the course files loaded here on Canvas. So if I want to enter the PowerPoint, you can click on Lecture Slides. So all of the PowerPoints are in the Lecture Slides folder. And I'm going to navigate to the 1.1.2 Systems Notes. And you can see as soon as I click on it, it shows up here. So it's hyperlinked there. So if you add something by mistake, you can just delete it by highlighting it and pushing delete. So I'm going to add that again, so my Systems PowerPoint notes, and then you can just put a little note next to it if you want to that says take notes over the Earth Systems PowerPoint. Okay, so then if you click Save, it will take you back and you can scroll down and make sure that the lecture is indeed there, and this is the Systems PowerPoint that I just added. So you can also add the YouTube video links the same way, except you have to copy and paste the actual link in. So if I wanted to add in the video lecture notes, I could go back to the lesson plan page, and I'm going to scroll down to the recorded lecture, and it just opened up the recorded lecture in YouTube. So I'm just going to copy the link from YouTube, and I'm going to go back to my Canvas page. So I'm going back to 1.1, and I'm going to edit my page. So again, so maybe instead of having them take notes from the PowerPoint, I want them to watch the video. So here I'm going to say, watch the video lecture and take notes. And so here you can actually hyperlink the video lecture. So I'm going to highlight video lecture, and then I'm going to click on this link to URL, and it brings up this little dialog box, and you can just paste the YouTube link. So I'm just pasting the link that I just copied there, and I'm going to click Insert Link, and it will automatically post the video lecture. So when I click save, I can scroll down, and here it says watch the video lecture and take notes. So you'll notice that the formatting is kind of funky here, so I don't really like how it's chopped up my my text, so I'm going to go back in and edit that again and scroll down to where I put in that YouTube, and I'm just going to move this text. So watch the following video and take notes. And save. And I'm scrolling back down to where I put that, and now you can see that the video lecture that I want is here. So anytime that you want to add content, remember you just have to click Edit at the top of the page and go into your rich text editing box and scroll down to add things. So I'm going to go ahead and take out what I just inserted. So if you want to get rid of something, you just delete it. So now it looks like it did before. All right, so I hope that helps you add the notes. If you want to add notes, now you don't have to add notes to your pages, but if you do want to, that will hopefully help you get there. And of course, if you have any questions, you can email me and I can walk you through it. All right, thanks.